I'll make it Man City this time around. Then Liverpool. I know Liverpool fans are already getting mad at me. I'm not calling Liverpool. Let's put Liverpool. These are Premier League teams, right? Okay. So let's do that for the next another 10 minutes. We'll be out of here. Then we jump into our work. Let's go. The pin is 660187. Real quick, everybody, if you don't mind. 660187. There are 4 topics we talk about briefly: metadata analysis, SQL injection, insider risk slash backdoor, then encryption. We just kind of talked about it. So those are the things that would be applicable in the hackathon in the next 12 minutes. So just be ready. So I wanted to kind of use this to kind of get your mind ready for what you'll be researching on in a bit. Okay, let's get started. And if not, just keep joining. The pin is 660187. Let's go. All right, let's go. The first question. 3, 2, 1. Please, if you've not registered, go ahead and register. The link is there already while we are doing the hackathon. What is metadata analysis? Scanning port, encrypting data, data about data, SQL injection. What is metadata analysis? Excellent. You're right. Data about data. Okay, Liverpool is not playing games. Okay. All right, let's see. Metadata analysis detects malware. True or false? Metadata analysis detects malware. True or false? And if you are just joining, please join the Kahoot. The pin is what's the pin again? Somewhere. Let's see. Excellent. That is true. The Kahoot is 660187. Okay, let's go to the next one. Which process makes data unreadable? Which of this process makes our data unreadable? Excellent. Encryption. Excellent. Okay, Chelsea is coming. Just to warn you, Chelsea has always won most of the time in this. True or false? Decryption secures data. Think through this a little bit. Decryption secures data. Remember decryption, encryption versus decryption. So think a little bit. It's tricky. Does it secure data? Thank you. Awesome. That's false. You're right. Oh man, Man City is coming. Huh. What does the firewall do? Is it fire in the wall? What does it do? Analyze metadata, encrypt data, block unauthorized access, scan spot. What does the firewall really do? Excellent. Block unauthorized access. That is true. Liverpool is not playing games, guys. All right, true or false? A port is a physical address. A port is a physical address. All right. Okay. Which is a system weakness? Which of this is a system weakness? Is that vulnerability? Is it encryption, port, firewall? What is you know, consider the weakness. Excellent vulnerability. All right. Who? Arsenal is coming close. Whoo, go Arsenal. All right. True or false? SQL modifies data. SQL attack modifies data. Please, if you're just joining, make sure you register. Check on the WhatsApp and on the Zoom link. We have the link to register. We're going to kick off in 8 minutes. And once we start, you can register, but you will not be able to participate in the competition again. All right. So please make sure you just go ahead and register. Go through that link real quick. All right. Liverpool is not playing games there. Who can manipulate SQL queries? Who can manipulate the SQL query? A firewall, an employee, an attacker, a port. Who is constantly trying to manipulate your SQL queries for malicious intent? Excellent attacker. All right. Woo, Arsenal is, you're making me proud, Arsenal. Input validation prevent SQL. Let's say input validation prevent SQLi. All that is saying is that if you put in a record and you put a validator there, so if it's supposed to be text, you make a number, is it going to prevent potential attack? True. All right. Okay, man. Liverpool is not playing games with us. What can employee abuse? What can your employee abuse? What is something employee can potentially abuse? Excellent. What can malicious employees do? What can a malicious employee do? Espionage. That is true. Insider risk is a big one out there for sure. All right. We have three more. Multi-factor authentication is strong control. Multi-factor authentication is a strong security control. Excellent. Wow, that's awesome. All right, true or false? Educating employees reduces insider risk or insider threat. Educating employees. All right, thank you. Liverpool is not playing games, guys. At this point, I'm not sure we can do a magic. Well, maybe times two. What is crucial for secure communications? What is crucial for secure communication? Cryptography. Yes, I know what you mean. Technically, we can say firewall is good, but at the end of the day, when we send communication, we want to make sure that it's encrypted. So, all right, winner, let's go. Third place, Man City. Hoo-hoo. Second place, Arsenal. Whew. I'll take that for us this time. And the undisputed champion today is Liverpool FC. Excellent job, folks. All right, congratulations to our Liverpool fans. Very well done, folks.